Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this is part 2 of the mask straight lines tutorial. So this is about creating the mask stamp tool. Okay, so okay. In the tools you find here your mask tool and press on the icon and press again. And then here you find the clone option. Press clone and rename it as mask stamp. So it's here at the last position at the moment, and now we have to change the settings. So here in the stroke settings we have to change to lock radius, and the next thing is the fall off. Choose such a flat fall off here, 1. And the filter setting, front facing vertex only, is okay, this setting here. And the pressure, no pressure. So here, no global, no, yes. And yeah, I think that's all. So now press on the icon and save the settings. Save, yes. So here on my cylinder I delete my grid, clear the mask. So now we need our alpha for the stamp tool. So I choose the line. So it's unmask. So now it should work. Okay, the line is here. So let's test the brush. So I hide the mesh here. I only work on this thing here. Mask stamp. So here in the settings we can use the tiling. So here you find the repeat option. So maybe we use here none and here repeat. And here with the tiling we can stretch or make our line thinner. So now we have thinner lines like this. And when we change the repeat option, so like this here, and the tiling you can, so here's the symmetry active at the moment, so here better. And here you can change the tiling, so more lines. And here with the hide tool it's possible to hide here the parts we don't want, change back to our scale masking tool and mask here the lines here. Okay, so one last example. I go back to the plane. So at the moment there's a mask active or not. So the texture is there. I delete the texture. There's no mask at the moment. And for the for such a line alpha, you only have to use the the cell mask, rectangular, and here I activate the symmetry. So I mask here only such a thin line. So yeah, shit, I didn't see my green dot. Like this. And maybe you want a thicker line, so mask more. And then use the painting option, paint all in black. Back to the MISC menu, check your settings, the color slot is active, and bake from itself. So again, you find here your line alpha, and yeah, this is one of the most important alphas here. So now back to our new mask stamp tool, change the alpha, and here replace it with a, no, not this folder, TMP folder, texture, and here's our line. So like this, and again tiling, to create thinner lines. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the second tutorial, and have fun with sculpting. Ciao.